Curry leaves, scientifically known as Murraya koinigi, are a vital ingredient in South Asian cuisine, renowned for their unique aroma and taste. These aromatic leaves are not just a culinary delight but also have several medicinal properties. As a result, curry leaf farming has gained popularity in various regions around the world. In this comprehensive guide, we will delve into the intricacies of curry leaf farming, from its cultivation to the numerous benefits it offers. Welcome to Discover Agriculture YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button now and don't forget to click the bell icon for notifications on new videos. Location and climate. Curry leaves thrive in warm, tropical climates. They require temperatures between 65 degrees Fahrenheit to 90 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal growth. Regions with well-distributed rainfall are ideal for curry leaf farming. Soil preparation. Well-drained, loamy soil with a slightly acidic to neutral pH level is suitable for curry leaf cultivation. Adequate organic matter and good soil structure are necessary. Propagation. Curry leaves are propagated through seeds or stem cuttings. Seeds take longer to grow, while stem cuttings from a healthy, mature tree tend to establish more quickly. Planting. Plant seeds or cuttings at the beginning of the rainy season. Space the plants about 4 to 6 feet apart to allow ample sunlight and air circulation. Watering. Curry leaves require regular watering, especially during dry spells. Ensure the soil is consistently moist but not waterlogged. Fertilization. Apply balanced, slow-release fertilizer during the growing season. Organic fertilizers like compost can also be used to enrich the soil. Pest and disease management. Watch for pests like aphids and mealybugs, as well as diseases like powdery mildew. Organic pesticides or neem oil can be used for control. Conclusion. Curry leaf farming is not just a means of cultivating a unique culinary ingredient but also an opportunity to promote health and well-being. Whether you're a small-scale gardener or a commercial farmer, the journey of curry leaf farming is sure to bring flavorful rewards while contributing positively to the environment and economy. So, consider embarking on this aromatic journey and savor the tastes and scents of curry leaf farming. Hope you liked this video. Share this video with all friends and don't forget to subscribe Discover Agriculture channel. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.